All right, eyes up here. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Thank you. Austin, hurry up, find a seat, Antoine. Find a seat. Okay, one thing I noticed, guys, of watching how you were breaking things up is that remember we did this the other day put your hand down for a second. When we had the hula hoops out here in our number bonds, right? This is going to be, what is this called? The hole, right? So this is the hole, okay? So, and then we have what to go with the hole? Parts, okay? Whole, part. And so the parts feed into the hole. Can the parts ever be more than the whole?
No.
No, right? You can't have 12 slices of pizza in an 8-slice pie. Right? You can't have it. Okay? So we did this the other day and I really like this, right? So remember, if I'm gonna have 5 right here, right? And I'm gonna put 3 over here in this part, eyes, Jeremy, eyes. What goes into this part?
0.
That gives me 5. What's missing to get to 5?
2.
2. So now I got 3 in this part, 2 in this part. Ready? Put them together and we have what? 5. Great. Now this time, 4 people. They run away. 4 people run away. How many are left? 1. So 1 in this part, right? We have 4 over here and 1 over here. Put them together. How many do we have? 5. That's a great story. Okay, so now if I had 5 pieces of pizza, 5 pieces of pizza, right, and 2 slices of pizza went over here to Miss Massey, how many slices of pizza would go over here?
2.
2?
3.
3. Right? Put them together. How many slices of pizza do I have? 5. Awesome job. So what do I have to do? Part equals whole. Whole equals part. Right? Part equals whole. Say that with me. Part equals whole. Whole equals part. Awesome job, Moms. Give me a ticket, bring it to me. All right, so now, what we're going to do today, though, is kind of change the script a little bit, okay? Because I've been telling you stories, but today I have a problem. I have a number, 5, but I don't have a story to go with it. I don't have a story to go with it. Can somebody raise their hand and give me a story that goes with the 5? It has to be 2 parts, right? What story would you like to give me, Jamie? No one answered me. 2, okay, 2. So 2 is going to go here out of this 5, Jamie. So what's going to go to this other part?
1.
Just 1, okay, 1.
4.
Okay, how many? So now, if I have 5 stars up here, okay, and 2 of them went down here, Jamia, how many stars would I have left that need to go over here?
2.
2? Okay. Count your stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stars?
4.
That's only 4. I don't have 5 yet. So what do I need to make in this part?
1
One more, right? So now, let's see. 1, 2, they go back home. 3, 4, 5, they go back home. How many do I have total? 5. So she could give me the story that 2 stars plus 3 stars equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now, the other part of this story, okay, Madede, okay, I want you to give me a story, but I want you to use the whole of 5, right? And you can use anything that you like. I know, what's your favorite thing? What's your favorite thing to eat? Donuts. Okay, we're going to have 5 donuts. 5 donuts, guys. 5 donuts. All right, so how many donuts are you going to give me? You're going to give me 3? That's so generous. Thank you so much. Okay, so now I'm taking away these. Okay, how many do I have left? 2. So my other part is going to be how many, Daquan? 2, that's right. So now, give me a story, Madede. Give me a story. We'll start with a whole. How many do we have? 5, okay? So tell me the rest of the story. 5. And then what are these lines called? What are these lines? Equals. So 5 equals, what's your first part? 3. And then what are you going to do to the two parts?
Put them together.
Put them together. So what are we going to use to put them together, Miles? What sign?
The equals.
Plus sign, right? Plus sign. And then what's my other part?
2.
Jeremy, what's my other part over here?
2.
2. Okay? So Madede, read me this. Read me your story.
5 equals 3 plus 2.
Awesome. So Madede's story was 5 donuts equals 3 donuts plus 2 donuts. Is that a story?
Yes.
That's a good story. I like that story. Good job, Madede. Excellent. Now, I want you to give Ramir, I would like you to give me a story. What's your favorite thing? What can I draw? 5 what?
5 Happy Meals.
Oh yeah, I love the Happy Meals. All right, 5 Happy Meals from McDonald's, his favorite place. All right, so I got my Happy Meal, boom. I got my little Happy Meal, got my hamburger in there, good. Okay, how many are you going to give to? How many are you going to share with Jamari?
2.
2. Okay, so we have 2. Awesome. Okay, now Jamari, how many is Ramir going to have still? If he gave you 2 of them, how many does he have in the other part?
3.
3. Excellent. Good job. So we have 3. Okay, great. Now, Dantorian, I want you to be able to give me the sentence here. How many do we start with? 5. 5. And then what is this? What is this? What kind of sign? Equals. Okay, how many do we have here? 2. Good. 2.
Equals.
Plus. How many did Jamari get?
3.
3. All right, great. Yoral, can you read me that sentence now? But you got to say Happy Meals.
Happy Meals.
All right. How many Happy Meals?
5.
5 Happy Meals. You got to say 5 Happy Meals.
5 Happy Meals.
Okay. Equals
2 Happy Meals.
2 Happy Meals plus 3 Happy Meals. That is an awesome job. Good job right there. Excellent job. Okay, excellent. Now, I'm going to change the number. And in tribute to Malia, who's not here today, I am going to make it cats. Okay? I'm going to have 4 cats. Okay? 4 cats. And if 2 of them are awake, how many are asleep?
3. 4.
Okay, we have cats. We have cats. Okay? I have 2 of them that are awake. How many are asleep?
4. 3. 0.
I have. Okay, now I don't see a lot of people using this strategy. I have 4. 2 of them went here. What's my other part going to be?
3. 0.
No. How many are missing out of the 4?
3.
3? Okay, look, 3. 2 and 3, that's 4?
Yes.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2.
Oh, 2 and 2. Now, 2 and 2, we bring them together, and we have what? 4. Excellent job. Good job. Okay, we have 4 all together. Excellent. Now, this time, we are only going to have 1 cat. We have 1 cat. How many cats? We have 1 cat that's asleep. How many are going to be awake?
3.
We have 1 over here. We have 1 over here. We had 4. 1 came over here. How many do we have left?
3. 4.
We had 4. 1 came over. How many do we have left?
3.
4. 1 came over. 3. So we have 1 and 3. Bring them together.
4.
4. 1 and 3 equals 4. Excellent job. Okay, so today we are going to move to working on our problem set. Okay, and so the problem sets are going to kind of be a similar story to this. All right. What we're going to do first is that we're going to look at this story, okay? And it says on the story, fill in the number bond. Tell a story about the birds to your friend, okay? So, how many birds do you see right now?
2, 1.
2? I only see 1. Yeah, 1. Okay, so how many birds were there supposed to be?
1. 5.
How many are there? 5, right? So how many birds do you see flying?
1.
1. So how many birds are missing?
5. 4.
We had 5. 1 went away. How many are left?
4. 3. 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1 gives us 5. Okay, we have to be careful that they have to add. Okay, you have to be able to add them together to make that total. Okay, if you throw a random number in there and it doesn't equal that, then is that number bond going to be right?
No.
No, it's not. All right, we are going to go to our seats, and I want you to start on this. Okay, I want you to start on this. The first one we did together, and then you're going to tell your partner, or tell the person next to you, what the story is. Okay, what your story is. Neymar, go if you would go to my red table. Kenya, go to my red table. Get your pencil and go to my red table. Daquan, go to my red table. Here's your pencil. There you go. All right, blue table. Quickly, blue table. There you go. Blue table. Okay, put this down and go. Bring me a ticket. Yellow. 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 Get in line. Get in line. Green. Thank you, Phil. No. Where are my 3 friends I said to be at the table? Yeah, I got you. Kenya, you should be here with me. All right, put your name on it, and you're going to start. We should not have any glue, Jeremy. Ready, begin. Everybody should have their name on it in 10. Everybody should have their name on it in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Everybody has their names on it. Okay, so now we have, what number do we see in that first number bond? 5. Okay, so how many birds do you see? 1. So put 1 as one of the parts. I only see 1 right now. So put 1 in the part. Put 1 as one of your parts. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, now if you have 5 and 1 of them is flying away, how many do you have in the other part?
4.
Everybody put your hand up like this. Everybody put your hand up like this. I'm waiting for you, DeMarco. Okay, we have 5, right? Everybody watch. We have 5. 1 went over here. How many do we have in this part?
4.
Okay, so then draw the number in the other bond. We have 1, we had 5, 1 flew away. How many do we have left? 4. So draw those in your number bonds. Then tell the person next to you the story of what happened. Okay, so what is your story? Tell me the story. There's 5.
3 and 1 is 4. 1 flew away.
Now we have 4.
3 and 1 is 4. 5 equals 7 is 3
Okay, we're finishing our story in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, 1 flew away, right? So 1 goes in the number bond, right? And then how many do you have left? Excellent. Okay, so now let's go to our second one.
3 and 1 is 4.
On our second page, on our second one, it says, the number bond says how many do we have? It says 3 and 1. So those are our two parts. Pencils down, eyes up. Pencils down, eyes up. DeMarco, I'm talking to you. Okay, pencils down, eyes up. It says 3 and 1. We put them together. How many do we have?
4.
4. And that's what our number bond says. Now I want you to draw a picture. Draw a picture and tell your partner a picture that matches that story. So you're going to have 3 of something and 1 of something that comes together to make 4. All right, ready, go. Now, so tell me a story. What's 3 of something?